So on this short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram couldn't post story. So if you have any problem with the upload on your Instagram, this video is gonna help you a lot. So please keep watching until the end and don't forget to like and subscribe. So first thing you have to do is just open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. This is very important, so please keep watching. Click on the apps. Now here on this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Scroll down until you find Instagram like this and then click on it. After you click on Instagram, right here you will find all the app informations. Click here on the notifications management and enable the notifications. After you enable the notifications, go to the permissions and make sure to enable all the permissions one by one. Go back, now click on the data usage and make sure also to enable all those network access options. Go back, now the last step you have to do is go to the storage, click on clear data. And now all what you have to do is just restart your phone and reopen Instagram, and hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.